Sure does feel good to be playing music live again. This is our first real serious show in about a year and 3 months, so thank you. We're honored to be sharing it with y'all.
We're back.
Oh yeah,
Salty Dog.
Salty Dog, yeah. Ready?
Yeah.
Standing on the corner with the low-down blues, great big hole in the bottom of my shoes. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Look at here, Sal, I know you. Run down stocking in a worn-out shoe. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Fiddle, come on! Corey!
Yeah.
Hold on to Charlie, line on log, finger on the trigger, eye on the hall. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Yeah.
Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Shots rang over in Mexico. Honey, let me be your salty dog. Let me be your salty dog, or I won't be your man at all. Honey, let me be your salty dog.
Thank you all.
Wow, Corey, that's fun.
We're just lucky to be playing music with each other and right here with y'all. So what a